turning this school bus into our first home.
A study that I recently read, couples where the male is 4.5 years older than the female have a longer lasting percentage than any age difference. Ashley happens to be 4 years younger than me.
Is that true?
It is, because
Where the hell did you hear that?
That there's more to it than we can see.
I don't feel ready for this. So last night we got a very special delivery in. Our solar panels and our batteries came from Renogy Solar. We are super excited. We have 2 solar panels and 2 lithium-ion batteries right now. I think we have plans to extend those in the future, but that's our base for right now. So Shawn is stoked. He's at work and I've been home today, so I've just been wanting to get at these batteries and see what they look like. And look at who's here. A sweet little angel muffin. Hi, baby. He's perfect in every way. Look at him. So let's see what we got. First thing we got were, I don't know what you'd call these. I'm just gonna open them. Where did I put the knife? Jax, did you, Jackson? The only recommendation I can make is don't lose any of this stuff. These are some kind of bracket, something like that. And basically the panel, flatten it or raise it up. So depending on where the sun is, Shawn, and I say Shawn because it's definitely not gonna be me getting on the roof, can go up on the roof and adjust the panels. Don't touch that, Jax. That's expensive. Okay. Ooh. This is one of our Renogy lithium batteries. It is 170 amp hours and we have 2 of them. So together that's who knew that one day I'd be unboxing lithium batteries. Whoa! I don't know if I'm gonna be able to pick this up to show you because it looks freaking heavy. I mean, positive, negative. What's the hype? What's to know? Hey.
Let me show you what you need. Come on. Is it okay if I step on your solar panels?
I would rather you not. Yeah, they're only a couple thou each. Wow.
Let me go around this way.
What do you think, Dad?
I think it's going to absorb the sun and produce energy.
They're beautiful. This hockey bag smells so bad. Shawn's bag. It smells horrible. Ooh, watch my switch panel, bro.
This is where you can get some exercise if you'd like. No, not today. A little too hot. We decided to just get a little walk in. Let me give you a little relationship advice, okay? 2 things. A study that I recently read. Couples where the male is 4.5 years older than the female have a longer lasting percentage than any age difference. Ashley happens to be 4 years younger than me.
Is that true?
It is,
Where the hell
because
did you hear that?
so these guys didn't trust me. Trust your man. Story number 2. I bought these 2 Renogy solar panels. They're huge, and they didn't think they were gonna fit, right, Ash? You didn't think they're gonna fit. But
I thought there's no way.
to the inch, we have 64.5 from the skylight to here. So we'll have one here, and then we'll have one here, and then we'll probably have, like, I don't know, dumbbells.
Right.
And
We'll be able to sit like here
this is-
and on the other side.
this would be the chill area. Most likely gonna
My
be
arm's
tilted
getting
the same
tired.
way. All right, well,
Come down now. Say hello.
hello.
Hello and welcome back to Shawn and Ash. We are turning this school bus into our first home. If you guys have been following along, last week we finished up our driver's console area and installed a few new switches. We did not make it to the bus at all last weekend. Just had a lot of stuff going on and didn't get any work done. So we kind of took the whole week off. But next week we had told you that we're gonna be starting our roof deck. So we are working with a welder for that.
Kevin.
Finishing the roof deck and getting the solar panels up there would be amazing.
Yeah, I mean, I don't think we're gonna get the wood up there, but we'll probably get the frame up there.
We'll go over everything about our solar when we get to put that together. Show me how excited you are. There's so much that just needs to be covered up. And Shawn promised that once we get this roof deck on and the solar panels up, we can really start focus on finishing up the inside. So I'm just so excited that this is happening this weekend. It looks like our solar panels might go up next weekend. Who knows? But we specifically kept this part of the beam exposed because this is where we're gonna be bolting the roof deck in. It's right on these beams, and then we'll be able to cover that up.
Excelente.
Frame of the roof deck, and then they're gonna build it all together over here. To start out though, everything has to be at a 45-degree angle so that they can meet and make 90 on the corners. Shawn and Kevin did an awesome job starting to put together this frame for our roof deck. This is about as far as we got this weekend and started to build a few supports that will be bolted into the side of the bus. But make sure that you come back next week to see it all framed out and on top of the bus. Then after that, we'll be able to put up some wood and our solar panels and heck, get our solar hooked up from there and have some electricity in this bus. Thanks so much for coming back to Shawn and Ash. Be sure to like and subscribe so that you can see us next week. Happy trails!